With the evolution of mobile phones, the bigger size standard SIM cards are replaced with micro SIM cards, and the micro SIM cards are becoming the standard. When we switch over from a standard phone to a compact smartphone, we have to switch from a standard SIM card to a smaller micro SIM card. Currently, there are three sizes of SIM cards. One is the standard SIM, second is the micro SIM, and third is nano SIM. The standard SIM and micro SIM are different in size but same on thickness, whereas the micro SIM and nano SIM are different in size and also different in thickness. In my case, I have got a new mobile phone which is using micro SIM, hence I have to change my standard SIM to a micro SIM in order to use in my new mobile phone. This is my old mobile phone which has got two regular size SIM cards which I need to convert to micro SIM cards. This is my new mobile phone which is, though bigger in size, has smaller sockets for SIM cards. I also have this other SIM card, thus altogether 3 SIM cards to be converted to micro SIM cards. There are different methods of taking the measurement of the SIM card. One of the methods is to download a template and take printout on a paper and put the SIM card on the paper to take the measurements. However, in my case, I took the measurements just by using the scale, drew measurement lines on the piece of paper and then cut the SIM card. The most important job is to take the exact measurement of the SIM cards. A standard SIM card is 25 millimeters in length and 15 millimeters in width, whereas a micro SIM card is 15 millimeters on length and 12 millimeters on width. As the thickness of both the SIM cards are the same, we have nothing to worry about the thickness. Here in this video, we'll convert a regular SIM card to a micro SIM card. I will first draw the lines to take the measurement of my older SIM card. As you can see, the size of the SIM card is 25 millimeters by 15 millimeters. As I do not have a template with me, I am doing all these exercises to ensure that I don't make a mistake. The whole exercise is risky as making a mistake would make the SIM card unusable. I will now make another template for the micro SIM card. As I mentioned earlier, the length of the micro SIM card is 15 millimeters and the width is 12 millimeters. Here I draw the lines for the same measurement. The most important part is to mark the SIM card for cutting. You can try this only if you are capable of taking the risk. Now the last and final job is to cut the SIM card as per the markings. You can use a knife, blade or scissor to cut the SIM card. However, the cutter has to be sharp and strong. I prefer to use a kitchen knife as it is a stronger cutting instrument. Now it is the time for the second SIM card. I'll try to do the same for this SIM card also. I will first take the measurement and draw the lines on the SIM card and then cut the extra portions from all four sides to convert it to a micro SIM card. Now I have cut two SIM cards. I have to check whether the SIM cards are working on the phone. Now I will follow the same method and cut the third SIM card. I will first mark the SIM card with lines and cut off the sides. Now it's the time to check the size with the phone. As it was slightly tight, I had to cut little bit more. And finally, yes, it was going into the SIM card slot. I have put the SIM cards in the phone. Now let us wait for the result. Yes, it is working. It is showing two SIM cards and showing the name of the SIM card providers. The job was successful. So altogether, I converted three regular SIM cards. The exercise was successful. I was happy. You can also do the same exercise at your home. However, be careful to take the exact measurement and be prepared if something goes wrong.